children, welcome to the class 3 of volume 2, chapter 22. Name of the chapter, heights and distance. Children, already we have done one problem from this exercise. Today we will be with the third problem. The third problem says that find the height of the building when it is found that on walking towards it 40 meter in a horizontal line through its base, the angular elevation means angle of elevation from angular elevation of its top changes from 30 to 45 degree. Angle of elevation changes from 30 to 45 degree. Children, let AB be the building. Let AB be the building. Now here a person start walking towards the foot of the building. It is observed from here when he observed the top of the building, it seems to be 30 degree. 30 degree. When it comes from here to here 40 meter and he observes the top of the building, then it will be 45 degree. 45 degree. This is the required figure. AB is the building. The person from here, he walks towards the foot of the building. Towards the foot of the building. He moves 40 meter towards the foot of the building. At the beginning, when he saw the top of the building, it was with angle of elevation 30 degree. When he comes towards the foot of the building, when he moves 40 meter and he observes the top of the building, it will be 45 degree. The angle of elevation will be 45 degree. Now here we have to find the height of the building. Now here let it be C and let it be A, B, C and this is D. Now this is 90 degree, we know well. Now first let us consider this, let it be the X. Now in triangle ABD, AB by BD is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to tan 45 degree. Tan 45 degree. Now AB we have to find out. BD also we don't know and it has been taken as X. BD has taken as X is equal to tan 45 is 1. We know the standard angle of tan 45 degree, that is 1. Now AB is equal to X. Now in second case, in triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. AB by BC has to be taken X plus 40. Or one more step it can be taken. This is equal to tan 30 means 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now here we have taken, it can be taken as BC is equal to BD plus DC. Now AB is equal to X plus 40 divided by root 3. Now here in the first case AB is equal to X. In the second case AB is equal to X plus 40 divided by 3. Call this as 1 and call this as 2. From 1 and 2 we get X is equal to X plus 40 divided by root 3. Go for cross multiplication. X root 3 is equal to X plus 40. Now take the X to this side. X root 3 minus X is equal to 40. Now take the X common. Root 3 minus 1. x into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 40. Now take this root 3 minus 1 to that side. X is equal to 40 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now here rationalize the denominator. Multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now we will get x is equal to 40 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 means root 3 whole square, that is 3 minus 1. Root 3 whole square minus 1 square into root 3 plus 1. Now we will get 40 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. Now here x is equal to 20 into, substitute the value of root 3. We will get 1.732 plus 1. That is nothing but x is equal to 20 into 2.732. That is x is equal to 4, 6, 14 and carry 5 and 0. 54.64. That is, let me write the answer once again here. That is, length of the building AB is equal to 54.64. Answer. Children, I hope you understand this problem. How to write the figure, that must be understood well. Once you read the question, first you have to write down the figure. If the figure goes wrong, the whole thing will be wrong. Children, now we are with the sixth problem. The sixth problem says that here the figure they have given by themselves in the textbook itself. I have written it on the board. From the figure given below, calculate the length of CD. The length of CD means this. Here, and it has been given CB 15 meter and ADE 22 degree angle of elevation, and this is ACB is 47 degree angle of elevation. Now we have to, children, keep in your mind here BC is equal to DE. If this is 15 meter, this is also 15 meter. And BE is equal to CD. It is a rectangle. Because how we come to know that it is a rectangle? Look at the figure. Here they have given 90 degree and 90 degree. Then it is said to be, if this is 90 degree, this also 90 degree. It's correct. So we will get this as a rectangle. Now, here in triangle, we have to find CD. CD is equal to question mark, but I am writing at the beginning itself. CD is equal to BE and BC is equal to DE is equal to 50 meter. Okay. Now, in triangle ADE, AE by DE is equal to, AE is perpendicular and DE is base. That is tan 22 degree is equal to, the reference angle is 22 degree, perpendicular by base, so we will consider it as tan 22 degree. AE divided by DE is 15 meter is equal to tan 22 degree. If you go through the Clark table, you will get the value. Tan 22 degree is 0.4040. Now AE is equal to 0.4040 into 15. Then we will get, multiply it. 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 5 fours are 20 into 0404. Okay. Now we will get 00606. Yes. Now we have to take, yes, we will get 6.0600. AE is equal to, let me write here, AE is equal to 6.060. Now, in triangle, in second case, in triangle ACB. So, reference angle is 47 degree. AB by BC is equal to perpendicular by base is equal to tan 47 degree. So, AB by 15 meter is equal to tan 47 degree is equal to, looking at the clock table, you will get the value 1.0724. 1.0724. Now, AB is equal to 1.0724 into 15. Now, multiply and get the value. 20 to carry, 10, 12, 1 carry, 35 plus 1, 5 7 35 plus 1, 36. 3 carry, 5 0 0 plus 3, 3, 5 1 5 into 4, 2, 7, 0, 1. Now 0, 6, 8, 10, 6, 1 means now we have to take the point 16.086. Now we know that we want the value of BE. BE is equal to AB minus AE. Then we will get BE is equal to 16.086 minus 6.060. Therefore, BE is equal to, that is 6 to 0 10.026. BE is nothing but CD is equal to 10.026, or you can take it as 3026. Looking at the bank's answer, you can consider. Anyway, even if you write 10.026, the answer is correct, or 10.03, it can be round off.